Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is day 25 of my 30-day challenge, and so far I've made a video every day. Last night I think I missed it by about 7 minutes. It was like 12:07 when I uploaded the video, but nonetheless it's still 24 videos and this is number 25. So today I'm going to do something very quick. I do this a lot recently since I've gotten these little accessories. They come in handy when I have a style. Sometimes your hair, my hair, doesn't lay right. It's like, you know, it might be a little puffy on the top, or it might just not be laying right. I don't know if y'all can relate, but sometimes your hair just don't lay right. And these little things, and I've showed y'all them before on Twisted Styles, the little headbands, they really help with that for me, because it just makes it just kind of pulls everything down. Also, it keeps it from coming in my eyes. My hair always falls into my eyes, you know, and it just helps me all the way around. It keeps that from happening, and so on and so forth. So this is, you know, sometimes when I do braid outs or twist outs, I like to have that little bit of security from that headband. And I also think it's cute, you know. It just adds a little pizzazz. Adds a little something extra to your style. So we are going to utilize that today. So when I say, all right, let me spin around first. So see how this piece right here is just sticking out? You know. So this is what I like to do. My hair is like this. I mean, it just falls, you know. And sometimes I use hairpins. Like before I got these, I would use hairpins to just kind of stick them in there like invisibly. And I think that's the word. And just hide them in there. But today, this is what we're gonna do. And it just kind of pulls everything down. I really like it. I recommend them. And then that's it, you know. You can go on about your day. I'll spin again. Only thing, like this little bumble, but you know, it is what it is. It's all right. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was less than 5 minutes and we are done. And I do have I'll put these down in the description box below. I didn't like all of them. This is not a paid video. But these are my little headbands, and I have one more over here. I just actually wear these. I like them. So yeah. Ta-da! Alright, so anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope you'll try some of these styles when you're in a rush, you know, you need something quick. Look back at the last 24 days and check out my playlist out. That'll also be linked in the description box below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Like the video, share it, and all that good stuff. And I hope everybody has a wonderful night. Bye.